Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna go pick up Rob, and we are going to buy some second-hand front coilovers. But I think I just found some full set lower springs as well, so I might put the front on coilovers for now and rear on springs. But yeah, we're gonna go and pick them up. So I'll see you in a minute. So we managed to get the coilovers, and we're gonna attempt to put them on. So yeah, let's get straight to the footage.
The keys in your car?
Nah, there you go.
Ha! Sucker! Oh, you locked it. Why the fuck? How the fuck? Oh, I opened your boot. Fuck.
Oh, this is a great start.
Jesus! It feels like I'm in like a bucket seat, but I'm not because the steering wheel's like.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Sick.
Yeah.
Get your keys up there, isn't it, mate?
Right. I hope these fit.
Yeah, you just need to fucking tidy up there because it's fucking disgusting. Oh yeah, sick.
I'm gonna try for these.
Yo.
Yeah, which I'm hoping.
Which way do they go, like in
I
there?
don't know, that's the only problem.
I reckon it is that way, you know.
Yeah, that looks about right.
And then it looks like they would just clip in.
Yeah,
It looks like we've got a cut. So what it looks like is obviously we can have a cut.
That's
Equal. That's in, isn't it?
it's in.
Yo.
I mean, it's not a perfect fit, but that's fucking not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. As long as
The only problem that I've
that's
just
on.
actually seen,
Yeah.
that's oval. Look at my phone, that's a fucking circle. We'll make it fit.
Nah, they should fit.
You reckon?
I reckon. We'll fucking make them fit.
Yeah, now I've got like a hair done.
Yeah,
I'm thinking maybe spray this bit black. I don't know. Or,
see what it's like once we get it going.
Yeah, I was thinking about colour coding to this, but I was like that would go nice with the black grill.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
looks
them
a bit
black's
better.
pretty sick. Yeah, that's cool. I like that.
Sick.
You have to unclip it from the back, mate. So like, there you go.
Maybe we'll somehow attach that as well. Cause
How the fuck is this wet?
not where?
That is wet.
What?
Put that
Up
outside.
there. Fucking rain's coming, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Probably. Get out of my sight. Right, I'm putting your light over it for a minute, mate. I don't know whether to. Well, actually, no, it's probably a better idea to build it there than there. But I need to just get some wood.
Oh, it's fucking horrible, mate.
That's why I'm in here.
We only have one breaker bar, don't we?
Yes.
I tell you what, I think I've got like a crappy one at home.
Yeah.
Why don't I just fucking shit? Hey? Use that shit in a minute.
Well, we used to use the fucking torque bar.
Huh?
We used to use the fucking torque bar to do it all.
Yeah.
Right, I want to unplug the things.
Oh, they're unplugged.
Yeah. Let's see.
I don't know if it's worth moving the steering.
You bitch. Give me that fucking back. Me. See this, people? Fucking Steph behind the camera, fucking me doing all the work.
Yeah, there's nothing new there, mate.
Nothing new yet. Not even my damn car. Fucking breaking out a sweat here.
Thing is, I like to laugh at him while he's doing all my work for me, but found more rust.
Taking off my fucking hoodie, man. Shit's getting real.
WD-40's watching this, then please sponsor Rob Mason. He loves the stuff.
Fucking need the shit.
So the progress of the cluster so far. It's all smooth. ready to go on after a couple more paints.
Jesus Christ! Right, you got that fucking. Nope. Fucking hell. That is on me. It's fucking crazy, isn't it? Probably just been on since factory though.
Yeah, well, this is it, isn't it?
Yeah, see, she's wanting to go. Right, let's get that fucking light on. Right, whack-a-mole, hold up. There she goes.
So unfortunately we wasn't able to fit the coilovers, so we're putting all the parts back. But yeah, we'll do another video of me installing. We just ran out of time and we couldn't get the bottom bit of the coilover suspension out. So we put everything back together, but yeah.
Right, yeah. Good thing we got seat spanners.
Do you know what? I didn't think about that.
Yeah, I know.
Well, we did earlier actually, I don't know. No, I don't even know.
Mate, what the fuck? My
What?
jack's.
What? You broke my jack?
No. I was like, why did it come out like that? I was like, what?
Was that stuck under the car?
Yeah.
Oh.
Drove down the road and